Slack hacks nobody tells you about in 2026. So the very first thing is personal sandbox. Did you know that you can actually use your personal DM space as an unlimited cloud notepad, draft board, or the final testing zone? So for that, what you can do is simply tap on DM's icon right here. Then from here, what you can do is simply tap on browse teammate, right? So after doing that, what are you going to do is simply either search for your own name if you cannot find in here, and then you'll be able to tap on your own name and you can see this is your own space, and in here you will be able to do whatever you want with an unlimited cloud space. So another would be custom loading message. So for that, what you're going to do is actually workspace admins can customize the loading screen codes text field to share team inside jokes or reference winks. So in that, what are we going to do is, if you are an workspace admin, then you can actually customize the loading screen codes text field to share team inside jokes or reference winks. So yeah, these are all of the hacks that nobody actually tells you about in 2025. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.